So we're going to try to install the British Custom slash cut tip in real time. So here's a 12mm socket and clamp. Let me stick that off. Don't know what size this is. 13mm for the nut. Oh, it's more busy.
That's good. It's actually really good. We have some leftover chicken waffles if you want some.
So we had leftover pizza.
Yeah. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
My mom and I went to Naughty Life after.
Oh.
She got me this sign for my front door. Crap.
Well, of course.
Of course.
Yeah.
Hi. How's your drive?
Okay.
Good.
You know, left traffic.
Oh, good. Good.
So what are you're putting a new muffler on?
Yeah, I took the label off.
Okay.
Put this little tip on.
Oh, okay.
Did you visit your grandson in there?
No, I saw Kimchi's crashed out.
Oh.
You saw
Is he on top of the
blanket?
He's on
Yeah,
top
he's
of
on
the
one
cat
little
house?
table next to the
Yeah,
slider.
the cat house. Yeah, that's
spot?
become his favorite spot now.
Yeah, he's like out.
Out?
Well, he binged on treats this morning.
He really binged on treats this morning, and he slept there all night long.
Oh, good for
He
him.
did not go under the house.
Guess what?